How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make $10,000 fast online. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So $10,000, that's what I got a question from a subscriber. They want to know how to make $10,000 fast online. So in my opinion, what I would do is I would understand what is fast, like how long do you want to accomplish this goal. In my opinion, if you could do this in a year online, that's a pretty damn good goal. Now, some of you may be thinking, I want to do it in a day, I want to do it in 2 days. Well, doing it in a day or 2 days is very, very unlikely unless you have built a crazy networking system already. Most of the people watching have not. So let's start off from the very beginning. You don't have nothing. You want to make the $10,000. I would recommend having a goal of around $900, $800 a month that you want to hit. But we need sources of income. So what are our sources of income? You need to make a YouTube channel. You need to do Amazon affiliated marketing. You need to pick one or the other, and then you need to make money by doing those. Now with the YouTube channel, it is possible to make crazy money doing YouTube. A lot of people are doing YouTube full time because they make a ton of money. What you can do is you want to pick a video, and I'll tell you guys the secret to being successful on YouTube. What a lot of people don't know and why a lot of people are struggling on YouTube is that you need to pick either to entertain or to educate. Pick one or the other. That's what your video should always be about. Are you educating or are you entertaining? For me, I'm always educating. I'm not about the entertainment. In my opinion, if you do entertainment, eventually your channel will die because people will get tired of you and they'll want something new, something better. Just like TV series. TV series never last forever. That's just like General Hospital. General Hospital is like 20,000 episodes, I think. But that's different. That's something else. Anyways, educate or entertain. You must pick one or the other. I educate because I find that people keep coming back for more and more information, and I'm never boring. My content is always good. It's always changing. So if your content's good, if it's always changing and you're educating, you can have a lifetime subscribers forever. I have subscribers that 2-3 years have been on my channel. They're still commenting because they like the educational videos that I produce. So make a YouTube channel, you'll make some crazy money. Amazon affiliated marketing can make probably more money than the YouTube channel. You don't need a YouTube channel to do Amazon affiliated marketing. You can use a blog or a website. Amazon affiliated marketing, all it's doing is it's using a product from Amazon and you're selling someone else's product, and if you sell that, you get a percentage of the commission. So if you're doing a website and you're selling, let's say you're talking about fitness equipment and you sell a power rack. If you sell someone else's power rack on Amazon, if it's $500, you'll probably get like a 5% commission. So you'll make $25 off of that power rack. Easy, right? It's a little bit harder. I know it sounds super easy to do, but to just build up the basis, you have to build up your website, your blog. That's the hardest part. Then once it's built up, then you make some crazy passive income, and you can make some crazy money. So that's what I recommend. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.